Hey, welcome to this week's video. It's going to be a sort of variety type video this week. We were going to do a day in the life sort of thing, but the way it's working out, we've got several different scenes over a couple of days, so it's going to be a little bit different, but we hope that you enjoy it. So we are on a little bit of a quest. That's right, a quest. So we have a metal detector, and what we are looking for is somebody, not me, actually one of my children, have lost a pair of scissors. And it's not just any pair of scissors, it is a pair of kitchen shears that belong to my wife. So we're going to try and find those. Anyway, we're out here with a metal detector, and we're going to see if we can find these things. Since these kitchen shears have been lost, it has rained, it has snowed, time has went by, but they should be okay. They are stainless steel, and so they should be fine. They shouldn't be rusted up or ruined. So anyway, let's see if we can find them. So if you do appreciate this video, we ask that you would share it with your friends, please. And also, if you wouldn't mind, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Who wants to search with this?
Me.
You want to do it?
Sure.
Go for it. So these things were lost in the garden. And so we're going to start in our big garden. And we're going to use the metal detector. You getting the signal?
Stick.
Hey, get out that little one. Somewhere in there. Hey, what'd you boys find? Let me see that. A piece of fence? Well, that's not what we're looking for. I guess we got to keep searching. What do you got? Hey, what is that? Is that a big old carrot or something?
Probably a sweet potato.
Oh, wow. Forgotten sweet potatoes. Hey, leave it in there. It might grow back. All right. Hey, we got another hot spot. Let's dig it up and get that little one in here.
Why are we on iron? Yeah, this is a rock that we found earlier today.
Oh, it's a tea bag. It's a tea bag wrapper for mint tea.
With a staple in it.
What? What?
Hey, the cat's got metal in her.
Hey. All right, yeah, on the collar, the cat has some metal. Found some aluminum foil on a wrapper of some kind, and yeah, that's not what we want. Better keep going, I guess. Burning daylight.
Try to find it.
Something there. Okay.
Raccoon's on.
So apparently the way this story goes, they were using these shears during harvest time late in the fall a few months back. And they were using them out in the garden, and so that's why we're looking in the garden. They've got to be in the garden somewhere. Of course, so far we're just finding little bits of junk. We found a nail, we found a foil wrapper, we found some rocks that have some good iron content apparently. They're setting off the big metal detector and that little handheld wand one that we have. So But so far, haven't found the shears, so.
Alright, another tea bag.
All right, try down here. Right in there, see it? Still there, you think? There you are.
Another nail.
So far, all we're finding is old nails. We don't want old nails. What's the matter with us? We can't find nothing but old nails. Well, there's everything we found. There's no kitchen scissors, kitchen shears sitting in there. Let's check it out here. What do we have? A lot of nails. We found a lot of old nails,
Big old
an
bolt.
old bolt, some little bar, and a couple wrappers with some foil on them. It would have been nice to find them today, but we didn't. We'll keep looking a little bit. Now it's time for a little bit of hiking set to music. Hey, what are you girls doing in the kitchen?
We're gonna make some walleye.
Walleye. Ooh.
Potato encrusted walleye.
Gonna be fried?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we take the fish fillet and we dip it in the egg wash.
Dip it down in the eggs.
See?
Yeah.
Get the egg all around.
And then
And
you
then-
go in the
and then
other
you-
stuff.
Dip it in the goodies.
Yeah. Breading.
Breading.
That's what's your breading made out of there?
It's a little bit of flour, a little bit of instant, like potato flakes, like
What's the green stuff?
there's salt and pepper and thyme.
Oh, I know it's good. I know it's gonna be good. That's all I know.
They look good. Did you cover the potatoes?
You're gonna fry some of these little dough balls?
Yeah. Now, if you're not familiar with walleye, walleye is an excellent fish. It's very good.
There you go.
Well, now we get to clean out the wood stove. It is a bit of a chore to clean out, and it takes a little bit of time, but it's not that bad. And if we didn't have a wood stove, we wouldn't have to clean it out. At least having a wood stove, we can heat our home, keep our home warm. And this is actually a lot cheaper than other means of heating. So we're gonna clean out the stove, and we're gonna light a new fire in it. So our wood stove has a little clean out drawer underneath, but there's so much ash in here right now, we're not even gonna bother with that. So we're just gonna shovel it out and dump it into a large bucket. And see how that goes. I'd rather use the clean out drawer. Thing with wood ash is if you dump it too quickly, it just poofs into the air and makes a mess. Yeah, there's still some hot coals in there. Stove's been out for 2 days and it still has hot coals in it. There's always a little bit of hot ash and coals way down in the bottom. Alright, it's all cleaned out. I've tried to save some hot ash and coals, leave them in there. Hopefully we can relight the fire off of that. Alright, so the easiest way to do it is get everybody to make some little balls of newspaper and then just throw them in there. Alright, that should be good. We'll put some smaller wood on, some littler pieces, and I like to get a few that way, and then put some going the other direction on top. Try to move the camera so we can show a little better what I'm doing. There's some hot ash down in there and the newspaper's sitting on it. Just blow on it and it starts to heat up. There we go. All right, now it's just a matter of letting the paper catch, and that'll spread underneath the wood, and as the paper catches, the flames go up between the wood, and that's what catches the wood on fire. We push that up part way, leaving about a 1-inch gap. And that allows a lot of airflow. It actually sucks the air in, just having that 1-inch gap there in the door. All right, well, I think we're going to stop the video here. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week, every Friday morning. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds. Mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.